so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Trick or treat! Whoa! Do you know what trick or treat is from? Yeah, Halloween! And do you know what people decorate their houses with? Jack-O-Lanterns! Yeah! Jack-O-Lanterns are pumpkins that they carve pieces out to make silly faces with. And they look really cool. So first, let's take orange because pumpkins are orange. And then let's draw a circle, but it's not a normal circle. It's a squished down circle, as if you squished it from the top and the bottom. And then let's draw some lines. Yeah, so then we can give it some texture. But then we need a stem right up here. Just like that. There you go. Whoa! And then for the silly face. Whoa! Let's draw some triangles. There we go. There we go. And for the mouth. There we go. Oh, 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 ooh. Yeah, like a tooth. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I P-P-I, Blippi. See you again. Trick or treat.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, check out this house. Whoa, it's so festive. Do you know what holiday this is? Yeah, this is Halloween. Yeah, what a fun time of the year. The leaves start turning orange and red. It's so cozy. You get to go trick-or-treating. You get to decorate houses with pumpkins. Hello, pumpkin. And one of my favorite parts, you get to decide what to dress up as. Oh, what should I dress up as? Maybe I could dress up as me, Blippi. I don't want to do that because that's me. Okay, let's see, what else? I just can't figure it out. I have an idea. Maybe you and I could go explore, and maybe we can figure out what I'm gonna dress up as. Let's go. Do you see what I'm wearing? This costume is awesome. Oh, woohoo! Yeah, I am dressed as a referee. This would be a really good Halloween costume. Yeah! Whoa, check it out. I got my referee hat. Yeah! And then my whistle. And then my black and white striped shirt. Hey, what kind of animal does the shirt look like? Yeah, a zebra. I'm not a zebra. I am a referee. Do you know what a referee does? Yeah, a referee is in the middle of the game watching all the players, making sure everyone follows the rules. Hey, you're out of here! See, that person didn't follow the rules. The referee had to tell him, you're out! Okay, well, I like being a referee, but I don't think I want to be a referee for this Halloween. Well, I should probably go think what I want to be. Do you hear that? Whoa, those sirens are loud. And those lights are so bright. Yeah, I am at a fire station. And look, I am dressed as firefighter Blippi. Yeah! Oh, and did you see this? This is a fire hydrant. And this is a Halloween pumpkin. What are you doing here, Smiley? I'll put you right over here. Yeah, this is a fire hydrant. The firefighter connects fire hoses right here. And then you take the hose, so then you can spray the water. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, fire hydrants are great because they produce a lot of water. Hey, and check out my outfit. How do I look? Whoa! Yeah! I have my firefighter helmet on. Yeah, it's nice. Keeps your head nice and safe when you go in there to find the people that might be stuck in the building because firefighters save lives. Yeah, you don't want anything dropping on your head and hurting you while you're in there saving lives, do you? Nope! And check this out. Whoa! Yeah, my firefighter jacket. Yeah, my coat. It protects you from the heat, the fire, because fire is very dangerous. It's really hot. It can burn you. So this protects my body. Hey, and we have some reflective lights. Or, light bounces off these reflective pieces of tape. Yeah, that's what I meant. All right, well, I like being a firefighter. Makes me feel really good saving people. But I don't know if I want to be a firefighter for Halloween this year. What should I be? I should probably get thinking some more. Yeah. Heary, heary! Heary, heary! It's King Blippi! Check it out! I'm dressed like a king for my Halloween costume. Whoa! It's so cool. Wow, look at my staff. Whoa, it's gold. Wow. And then red with some jewels. Wow, that is cool. Hey, and look, my robe, my cape. Whoa, check out the colors. This color, what color is this? Looks kind of red and kind of pink, but then also kind of purple. Hey, it kind of looks like a raspberry. So silly. And look at this. Wow, it has some gold right here. And then it has some white. Wow, and it's so comfortable. And look at what a king wears on top of his head. Wow, a crown. This is a gold crown with a lot of jewels. Whoa, I'm gonna be really careful with this. Yeah. Whoa. And how to be careful with this is you dance like so. Whoa! Yep, so it won't fall off. Kings are rulers of the kingdom. Whoa. They say what to do for all. Yeah, kind of like a mayor of a town, president of a country. Yeah. Whoa. But right now, I'm King Blippi. But I don't know if I want to be a king for Halloween. Yeah, I don't think I do. I should probably get going so I can think some more on what to be for Halloween this year. Yes, we did it. Perfect. We got our thinking caps going today because we tried on a lot of outfits. Yeah, they were all so great, but I wasn't 100% satisfied, so we're gonna make our own. And I know what I'm gonna be this year for Halloween. Super Blippi! Yeah, Super Blippi! Yeah, I am gonna be me, but a superhero. And how we're gonna do that is I'm going to make the outfit. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna replace my glasses with these superhero glasses. Whoa, so cool. They're the color orange, just like my glasses. And then I have these wrist guards. You see them? Yeah, you put them right here. Yeah, just like that. We'll put them on later. And then we have a marker. Yeah, a black marker for the cape. Yeah, I'm gonna wear a cape. And this is an orange cape, but I'm gonna specialize it with this black marker. Okay, let's do that first. Okay, let's put these over here. Let's make some room. Okay, first we need to see where the top is, where it wraps around my neck. Perfect. See this hole? Hey! Hello! 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 Okay, that's where my neck goes. So, I'm going to write a letter really big right here. Do you know what letter I'm gonna write? My name starts with it. Do you know what is the first letter of my name? Yeah! It's B! B-L-I-P-P-I! Blippi! So B is the first letter of my name. So, how to make a B is go straight line like that. You see that? Straight line down. I'm gonna make it nice and thick. Perfect. That looks really good. Wow. This is a really good B so far. And then we make 2 half circles. Ready? Go like this. And then like that. Wow. And then let's thicken them up. Wow. This is gonna be such a great costume for Halloween. I bet I am gonna get so much candy with this costume. It's gonna be so cute. And I cannot wait to say to the first person, trick or treat! Okay, all right. Does that look like the letter B to you? Let's see. Yeah, that looks like the letter B. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's put that away. Okay, we have the cape, we have my glasses, and my wrist guards. So, I think we should try on the outfit. Let's do this! Yeah! Check it out! I am Super Blippi! Yeah! How does that look? Yep, I got my orange superhero glasses. I have my wrist guards. And then I got my cape. Whoa, I'm gonna run back over here, grab my trick-or-treating bucket, and I will show you how fast I can run around over here. Ready? Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Whoa, I sure did have a lot of fun with you, trying on a bunch of costumes for Halloween, and making our own Super Blippi costume! Woo! Good job! Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Well, stay safe out there. Be sure to be with a grown-up while you go trick-or-treating. All right, have a good Halloween. Bye-bye!
Ooh, hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you know what Halloween is? Yeah, it's that holiday where you go from house to house and go trick-or-treating and get candy. Oh, I love candy. And those houses are all decorated, really spooky. Yeah, with jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. Hey, why don't you and I draw ghosts today? All right, let me take this black marker and draw a very big curved line. Ooh, and then I'll do some curves at the bottom, just like that. Whoa! And then I'll draw an arm, another curved line. Woo, with 3 fingers on that side, and on this side, with 3 fingers as well. Oh, cool. And I'll draw a circle right there for one eye, and one right there, but I'm gonna fill it in. Whoa. And then I'll draw a circle for the mouth, and it's saying right there, spooky. Whoa. Wow, I love Halloween, and I love you, Ghost. You are so silly. If you want to keep drawing with me, yeah, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Welcome to my spooky, ooky Halloween party! Ooh, spooky! Well, it's time to get in the Halloween spirit. Hey, maybe this book of Halloween spells will help us out. Hey, you better beware. 'Cause Halloween's the time for a fright and a scare. You gotta stick real close to me right now. I'll take us all around to new places, here's how. I've got a little brown book of spooky spells, not the kind that you'd find off a normal bookshelf. These spells can teleport us to any place, so let's go make some cookies or carve a pumpkin face. Traveling round with the book of spells, now we're baking lots of cookies, what a wonderful smell. We're picking a costume off of the rack, and we're carving a face for Pumpkin Jack. Traveling round with the book of spells, now we're baking lots of cookies, what a wonderful smell. We're picking a costume off of the rack, and we're carving a face for Pumpkin Jack. So, you wanna learn about the sweetest spell? We're going to a store where treats and goodies they sell. And bake, if we're lucky we might even get to make a cookie or two or a big cupcake. Next up we have to chant the costume charm. We need to find some clothes for our head and our legs and arms, and then poof, poof, pumpkin. We're spinning and jumping, carving pumpkins for the party while the music is thumping. Traveling round with the book of spells, now we're baking lots of cookies, what a wonderful smell. We're picking a costume off of the rack, and we're carving a face for Pumpkin Jack. Traveling round with the book of spells, now we're baking lots of cookies, what a wonderful smell. We're picking a costume off of the rack, and we're carving a face for Pumpkin Jack. Thanks to our book of spells, this is going to be the spookiest, ookiest Halloween party ever!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.